In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out Ethereum from Trust Wallet and withdraw it directly to your bank account. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your phone and log in using your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. For this guide, we'll be using Ethereum, as it's one of the easiest coins to withdraw and sell. If the cryptocurrency you want to cash out isn't already in Ethereum, you can easily swap it using the swap feature at the bottom of the app. Just select the coin you want to convert, choose Ethereum as the target cryptocurrency, and complete the swap. This ensures that your crypto is in a format that can be transferred to a standard exchange for cashing out. Next, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange to facilitate the cash out. I recommend using Coinbase, as it's user-friendly and widely supported. Download Coinbase from the App Store or Play Store if you haven't already. Then create an account, or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom right of the screen and tap on Transfer. Then select Receive Crypto. Here, choose Ethereum as the coin you want to receive. Make sure it's set to the Ethereum network to avoid any transfer errors. After that, tap Copy to copy your Coinbase Ethereum wallet address, which is where you'll be sending your funds from Trust Wallet. Now, return to Trust Wallet and tap on Send. Select Ethereum as the coin to send, and make sure the network is set to Ethereum. Paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, or press Max to send your full balance. It's extremely important to double-check that the address is correct, because sending Ethereum to the wrong address can result in a permanent loss of funds. Once you're certain everything is correct, tap Next, review the transaction, and then press Confirm. Within a few minutes, your Ethereum will arrive in your Coinbase wallet, ready to be converted to cash. Once your Ethereum has successfully arrived in Coinbase, go to the Buy-Sell section at the bottom of the app and select Sell Crypto for Cash. Choose Ethereum, enter the amount you want to sell, and select the fiat wallet where you want the funds to be deposited, such as GBP, USD, or another currency depending on your location. Tap Sell Now to complete the sale and convert your Ethereum into cash in your Coinbase fiat wallet. Finally, to transfer the cash to your bank account, go to Transfer at the bottom right, then choose Withdraw Cash. Select the fiat wallet containing the balance from your sold Ethereum and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, or press Max to transfer the full balance. Tap Preview to review the details, then click Withdraw Cash to initiate the transfer. The funds will be sent directly to your bank account, completing the cash-out process. By carefully following these steps, you can safely and efficiently cash out Ethereum from Trust Wallet and have the money available in your bank account.